Hi, so here we are at flipgrid.com, and this is a great resource for students to be able to respond to you and to help you get them speaking and listening and even help them read. And I'm going to show you that feature right now. Okay, so I'm going to log in. I already have an account, but you would just click in setup, and it's pretty easy. So I'll send you instructions step by step in a PowerPoint. So if I click on one of my collaborations or my one of my flip grids. So these are considered grids. Okay, and within your grids you would have topics. So if I view one of these, I'm going to click on view. And it's going to ask you to log in again just to make sure that you accept its permissions. And so here it is. Okay, here's Flipgrid. These are responses. That's my silly face. So what's really neat about Flipgrid this year is it has this immersive reader function. And when you click on the immersive reader function, it opens a new screen. We're running a little slow right now, I'm sorry. And it will actually read it to your students.
Summer fun. Tell me something you did this summer.
So this doesn't require your students to be able to read. This is an awesome feature because now they have access to the prompts that you would like them to respond to. And you can also, and then they can also easily respond within your Flipgrid. So I'm going to click on this and it's going to show you my face. Hi. Okay, so it's a really easy way for students to kind of get used to speaking, responding to text, responding to your questions, and so on. Hopefully, we can get them thinking a little deeper. Okay, so I just thought that I would share this with you because I think it's a great tool. I think the immersive reader feature makes it very feasible. I do think they need to get a better camera or a better view. So I'm going to stop that. And then all the student needs to do is they can watch their video. Then they click
The student
next.
needs to do is they can watch their video. Then the student needs to do.
So they watch their video and then they take a selfie. It's hard because the camera's backwards. And there you go. It's really a great tool. Then they just post it. They put their name. If they want to put a title, just response for tutorial and submit my video. And I did it. Look how happy they'll be. Hit complete and there they go. Not bad, huh?